Grade 5. Hope all of you are fine. Our lesson today will be a revision before the quiz for the next week. So please read all these questions carefully to take the full mark. Let's start now. In Scratch program, which blocks should we use to position the sprite? We use pointing direction and go to an X and Y. So from motion, we will go to X and Y. It will position your sprite in a specific X and Y on the screen, and we can use point in direction to put your sprite in a specific direction. Okay, how should we start a new script? We should start our script by an event. So don't forget, we start our script here by choosing an event, because the event is the trigger that allows the script to be executed. Okay. What is the trigger? The trigger is the event that makes the script start. Okay. So which block should you choose to make the sprite keep moving until the program stops? We have agreed before that we have many blocks that repeat the script. It will be specific or limited, like repeat and writing the times of how many times that this block will be repeated, or forever, which means that this script will be repeated a lot of times or for the end of the program. Okay. What is the meaning of a logical test? It's a test with yes or no. For example, did the spaceship touch the ball? This is called a logical test. So what is the meaning of conditional comment? It's carried out if the answer to this logical test is yes. For example, the conditional command is make the pop sound. Okay, with how when the spaceship touches the ball, if it's okay, it has been touched. This ball has been touched. Please make the pop sound. This is the meaning of conditional command. Which block should we use to make the logical test? We use the if block. Okay, I think all of us know how to do it. From controls, I can find the if and forever and if and else. Okay. What is the meaning of a variable? A variable is like a box that we can store a value inside this box. Maybe this value is a number, is a text. And how we can create a variable? I can go to data, then choose make a variable. Which blocks should we use to make a comparison between two values? For example, if I have x and I want to check if this x equal 5 or x is bigger than 5 or x less than 5. So I will go to operators, then choose any of these operators. Maybe it and or. If two conditions are exist, I will do a specific something. If 5, if I want to make additional or addition and subtraction or multiplication. Okay, so what is the meaning of insertion sort? This is from Unit 5. It is where you take items out of a mixed list or group one by one and put them in the right place in the sorted list. This sorted list will be according to specific criteria. Maybe I will sort my list according to size, from the small to the big, from the smallest to the biggest. Or maybe I will arrange my my list according to color, from the light one to the bold one. Okay, this is the insertion sort. So what is the meaning of selection sort? In the selection sort, we find the biggest item and put it first on the list. Then find the next biggest one. So we start with the biggest one, and so on until we finish our list. What is the meaning of bubble sort? We tell computer to compare two items. For example, if I have a lot of items, I will compare the first two. If the first one is bigger than the second one, I will swap them. And I will repeat this between the second and the third.